Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, all you will need is a pencil. We are going to do sound spelling word mapping. Our first word is pig. Finger stretch pig, p-i-g, pig. I hear 3 sounds. Please put 3 sound dots. P-I-g, pig. Please write pig. Put 1 sound in each box. P-I-g, pig. On the lines, write pig. P-I-g, pig. Way to go. Our next word is sit. Finger stretch, sit. S-I-T, sit. I hear 3 sounds. Please put 3 sound dots. S-I-T, sit. Write sit. S-I-T, sit. On the line, write sit. S-I-T, sit. Our next word is win. Finger stretch win. W-I-N, win. I hear 3 sounds. Please use 3 sound dots. W-I-N, win. Write win. Put 1 sound in each box. W-I-N, win. On the line, write win. W-I-N, win. Our next word is lip. L-I-P, lip. Finger stretch lip. L-I-P, lip. 3 sound dots. L-I-P. Write lip. L-I-P, lip. On the line, write lip. L-I-P, lip. Our next word is hit. Finger stretch hit. H-I-T, hit. I hear 3 sounds. H-I-T, hit. Please write hit. H-I-T, hit. On the line, write hit. It, hit. Our next word is big. Finger stretch big. B-I-G, big. Please write 3 sound dots. B-I-G, big. First sound, B. I-G, big. On the line, write big. B, I, G. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, we are working with the IP word family, words that end in IP. Let's look at our word box at the bottom and read each word to match with its correct picture. First word, R, I, P, rip. Oh, I see someone who is going to rip their paper. Write rip in the box. R, I, P, rip. Next word, T, I, P, tip. Tip. I see an arrow here pointing to the tip of the pencil. Please write tip. T, I, P, tip. Next word is lip. O, I, P, lip. Here's an arrow pointing to the lip. Please write lip. O, I, P, lip. Next word is hip. I, P, hip. See the arrow pointing to the boy's hip. Please write hip. I, P, hip. Next word is zip. Z, I, P, zip. On the top line, I see a zipper that is going to zip up. Write zip. Z, I, P, zip. Our last word is sip. S, I, P, sip. I see a cute baby who is going to sip on her sippy cup. Please write sip. S, I, P, sip. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.